Omagyanatimirandhasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurnilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I'll keep this session a little short. I'll just say a few things and then if there are any questions we can finish off with that. So we had a nice program yesterday in Daman. You have a good program here also? 40 people came. It's not bad in the middle of Navaratri. But people are out to enjoy the body, mind, if they have any mind, and senses. Mindless. Yeah, we had a nice program. I was just thinking it's a very nice situation for me that I can sit and do my writing during the week, have a little morning program with a few devotees, but receptive, interested, and go out the weekends and do preaching programs here and there. So thank you for providing facilities like that and being here. Thank you for taking up this preaching service. Thank you, all of you. Madhu Kanta, cooking, cleaning, doing everything. Vrindavan Chandra doing more things than I even know about. So many things going on. We need two of you though, I think, because there's so much work to do, huh? So much. Yeah, and let's hope the preaching develops here more so that I won't be able to stay here peacefully. If it develops more, then I won't be able to come and be peaceful, because then more and more people will come and then I won't have time to do my work, which is why then we have to start some new small center, and this way we can always start more centers. So that's how the movement can expand. The devotees who have that dynamic spirit, they can open. Well, you can open in one place and then just go on developing it more and more, or you can open, train someone up, then go and open somewhere else like that. I was with Prabhavishnu Swami, and he first of all got blessings from Srila Prabhupada to preach, I believe first of all in Bangladesh, and then he expanded to Nepal. And he asked for Prabhupada's permission to go each time before he went to Bangladesh, and he went to Nepal, and then the third time he was about to go to Malaysia with Vrajendra Kumar, who's now Bhakti Brajendra Nandan Swami, who he knew very well from London. Brajendra Nandan Maharaj joined in England actually. Shubhag Maharaj preached to him first of all. And so Brajendra Nandan Maharaj is from Malaysia. So Prabhupada had just left after that. So they went to Prabhupada's Samadhi for blessings from Prabhupada. And immediately they came in, and the Pujari came out and brought Prabhupada's garland for them. So they took Prabhupada's blessings in that way. And then gradually Prabhupada Swami, like that, in that area, he took on Thailand, so like that. And then gradually he went to places which were already established, the preaching. But he was opening the preaching in different places. And I was supposed to be assisting him. So like that, you can go on making more and more centers. Uchalelo prema banya chodike berai stri bridha juba balak shobare dubai. That's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, the mercy of the Panchatattva. It was like a great flood of love of God that rose up and spread in all directions, and all kinds of people, including women, old people, young people, children, they all drowned in the ocean of love of God. So that's what we want. There's a long way to go. I mean, if you look in Daman, We were just joking last night. Everything's there that the materialists like. The monks, Majli, Madhira, Mahila, all these things. There's the Panchama of the tantrics. They have the 5 mas. You know this? You heard of this? It's like that. It's Matsya, Mangsa, Mahila, Madhira, and Malmutra. These are the things. The tantrics, they take fish, meat, women, booze, and stool and urine also. That's all part of their sadhana. So, they didn't get down to the stool and urine part in Daman, but it's a place for being sinful. That's the main purpose of it, being there. It's a separately incorporated from Gujarat, so they can openly drink. And where there's drinking, then there's next to the sea, so there's fish eating. Where there's open boozing, then definitely there's going to be prostitution. So all these things are going on. So we have a lot of work to do. All right, then I'll go on to another point.